Hi everyone, welcome back to our daily LeetCode challenge series. So today is day 21 and today we are going to solve LeetCode problem 263, ugly number. So let's see the problem statement. Ugly number is a positive integer which does not have a prime factor other than 2, 3 and 5. Okay, so given an integer and return true if n is an ugly number. Okay, so basically we have to find an ugly number based on the condition like the given answer would be divisible by only 2, 3 and 5. So basically we have to know whether the prime factor. Okay, so 6 can be divisible by 2 and 3, so that's why we are returning true. 1 anyhow it has no prime factor, so we are returning true. And 14 it is not, it is having 7 as 2, 7 as prime factor, so 7 is not needed here for the ugly number, that's why we are returning false. So fine, so in order to solve this we will take a list. Okay, or we can take an array, required values equals to new int. We will have 2, 3 and 5. Okay, now we'll just iterate over this array. So int of I of required array, and here we will check if my current value like n mod by I is equal to 0. So basically remainder should be 0 always. So in that case it is divisible by that number. So first we are checking with these three number, and in case if it is modulo is 0, what we can do here is we'll simply divide our number with I. So in the next iteration our n will become 0 and they will get our 5. So remainder at last should be 1. So we'll return here if n equals to 1, then it will return true, else return false. And for the base condition as well, what we can do is, for a base scenario, if our n is less than or equal to 0, that ideally means there will be no prime factor, so we'll return false from here itself without checking all this scenario. Okay, let's try and submit and see. Okay, so we are directly defining array, so this is not required, I believe. Let's try this. Okay, so it got passed. We'll try to submit and check all other test cases. So yeah, it got accepted, all 1013 test cases got passed. So yeah, like if we talk about time complexity here, so as we are dividing by each number, so it will whatever n we have, it is going half, so it will be log of n. So time complexity will be log of n and space complexity will be 1 constant we are using, right? Okay, yeah, that's all for today. Let's see you.